Hi, myself Ramesh Rajput from the Electronics Era magazine, and with me Mr. Soni Sharan Singh, sir, founder, managing director, and CEO, NMTronics India. And we are here in the Electronica India 2026 exhibition. And kindly introduce Sir NMTronics as a company.
Uh, Thank you very much, Ramesh. I would like to say that NMtronics India is a 27-year-old company providing a complete solution we call as a chip to chip for the electronics manufacturing system. And I can say that we are truly a market leader because we almost have more than 45% market share continuously for the last 5 years. I can say that anyone in the field of electronic manufacturing, we are deeply penetrated, and we are very happy to see the growth of electronic manufacturing business in India.
So cool. And my start with the conversation. My first question is, sir, how from distributor to developing in-house products and software, what triggers this strategic evolution?
It's a very good question. NMtronics started as a capital equipment distribution company, and we still are. We are representing one of the world's most leading tech companies, providing a complete solution for the electronics manufacturing. With the Make in India wave, what happened? We are really encouraged by our Honorable Prime Minister setting up the capital goods manufacturing ecosystem. We started our journey way back in 2008 when we made an attempt for the robotic automation. Then in last 5 years, we really have matured ourselves. We have more than 2,000 machines, peripheral equipments to set up the automated PCB assembly lines.
Okay. And my next question is, sir, how would you define Anantonics' core vision in the era of AI-led manufacturing?
Well, AI is the next wave, and we have to be part of the AI. Every machine manufacturer, they are working towards the AI, and everywhere there is a gap. So we are identifying the different gaps and how we are going to make the AI part, which is easily accessible data, predictive analysis, and making our customer making a decision faster based on the information coming through the AI.
Okay. And according to you, what are the biggest bottlenecks still limiting India's ambition to become a global electronics manufacturing powerhouse?
Well, if I look at the globe, I'm into the capital goods industry, capital equipment industry, so I can only talk about the capital equipment much better than anything else. If you look at the developed countries like United States, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, China, Italy, Germany, it's a really a great ecosystem they have for the capital goods. India has already started now, but we are way behind that. I think so. The first is the human capital, and our engineers are qualified, but they need to have a different skills. And this is the one of the thing we like, whether, for example, of the PLC programmers, talk about the machine designers. So it takes time for our engineers to understand that. So our engineers need a skill development. That is extremely important. Happy to see the government is putting a lot of efforts for the skill development program.
Okay. And according to you, how close are we to achieving dark factories like fully automated manufacturing with minimal human intervention?
In Japan, our partners have already started implementing this, and I think so. It will take some time for India to come in. Customer have started asking me a lot of details, but Japan definitely we have a concept of a dark factory. It's a very interesting to see without the entire electronic production happening without any human intervention. I think so. It will take some time for
Okay.
world to adopt this.
Okay. And NMtronics AI engine provides offline multilingual assistance. How important is localization in industrial technology adoption?
I think so. You mix two, three different questions together, but let me answer it. NMtronics, definitely, we have one of the finest AI engineer, AI ML engineers. If you look at the NMtronics intake of the engineers, we are a recruiter in IIT Delhi and IIT Kanpur down the line to various diploma schools all over the country. So our highly skilled brain, they are working towards building our own AI tools and filling up the gaps. And it's very difficult to explain in this. because every machine has there is a certain gap. Every machine works on a different platform. So we are the system integrators, so we can understand very well. In short, our engineer know what is SFG and they also know what is coding, and that's a very a good combination. And that's why we are able to provide a proper solution to our customer.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful answer. And my next question is that, sir, NMtronics has expanded into the Middle East. So, what opportunities do you see in emerging manufacturing regions?
Well, yes, we have opened up our company operation in Middle East, mainly in Dubai. And if you look at the post-COVID, most of the countries are looking inward because they want to localize the local manufacturing. India is also doing the same, so as the Middle East. If you look at Dubai part, the 30% are the Indian population, and they have seen how the growth of India is happening. So some of the businessmen over there, they really want to get the taste of the electronic manufacturing, and that is really motivated. We have supplying the very high tech SMT line to one of the server company, and so again, it's an AI led wave.
Okay, very well answered, sir. And my next question is, how important is software compared to hardware in next phase of electronics manufacturing evolution?
Oh, software is going to lead everything, believe me. So hardware has a certain level of the capacity. Beyond that is the software which is going to lead the things. Yes.
And my next final question is that what key innovations or solution is NMtronics showcasing at this year in Productronica India 2026?
We have launched some of the new machine like a dual lane printer, which is an integrated one, creating a space and very optimized way, reducing the cost. We have launched Amex R machine, which is the first time we have exhibited in this show.
Okay.
And we will show another high tech machine upcoming in Bangalore event, plus some of the latest AI tools.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
That's
you
all
very
from
much.
my
It's
side.
pleasure
Thank you.
talking to you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much for your time.